How to make a job board website using Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make a job board website using Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is a renowned website building platform known for its ease of use and aesthetic appeal, in which it offers a comprehensive suite of tools that make it ideal for creatives, entrepreneurs, and e-commerce businesses. And Squarespace features a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor and AI-driven design tools like Blueprint AI, which helps users create professional-looking websites quickly. And the platform also provides over 180 visually appealing templates, making it suitable for various industries and websites types. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner in here. And after that, all you need to do is to simply sign in, then you will be directed on this dashboard. And from here, it will show you some of your website that has been created. And let's say I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page, and it will ask you to start with this design or choose the color palette that you prefer. And after clicking the button, you will automatically be directed in here. However, it will show you under this left side panel some of the options, including the website, pages, style, assets, but there's no option in there on the left side panel that can help you to add a job board in here. And now in order to do that, all we need to do is simply use some other platform that can help us to do so, which is this appsite.com, in which it is a leading SaaS platform that provides over 60 customizable no-code widgets designed to enhance website performance and user engagement. From here, on the top panel, just click these widgets, and under tools, kindly proceed by clicking this job board button in here. And upon clicking on it, from here, just click this create widget for free button. Then it will be directed you to this page. So all you need to do is simply select here the template to start with. We have here this volunteer organization, IT Corp, and it will show you what it looks like on the right side panel in here. So let's say in those options, I'm going to choose this one. And from here, we can click this add job button in order to do us or create our own job board. But you could also navigate on the website panel, this layout, this job card appearance, and many more. And you could also start navigating or customizing, including the design of this appearance. But from here, let's start navigating this jobs option on the left side panel and click this one. And it will show you that all you need to do is simply enter the title. For example, I'm going to enter here the title, software engineer. And it will show you the company also. Going to enter, for example, Apple. Well, for the department of this, head department. And for the location, for example, I'm going to enter New York City. Then you could also enter the salary in here. And at this point, I'm just going to enter the per hour salary, which is, for example, $500. And upon editing or customizing all of this info, it will show you on the right side panel that it is currently being customized or edit. So from here, all you need to do is simply fill out the required information. Then you could also enter the type of contract below that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here long term. Then you could also apply the link in here below. And if you're now done, just click this add to website for free button in here. And upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And as you can see, it is being currently loaded. So all you need to do is wait for it to load. And after that, you could also choose here the kind of layout and even a job card in here and appearances. But in those options, I'm going to choose this one. And in terms of the color appearance of this, I'm going to choose this color green in here. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner. And after that, it will show you in here that you need to pick a plan to install the widget. We have here free plan, basic, pro, and premium plan. But I'm going to select this free plan. And after that, in here, it will show you on this pop-up window the embed code. So all you need to do is to simply copy this one by clicking copy code, then go back to this page. And from here, just click this edit button, and it will show us where to add the job board in here. For example, in our website in here, we're going to click or add a section by scrolling down and click this icon add section. And choose on the left side panel this add a blank section in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show you in here the blank section, and just click add block button on the top left corner of the button in here. And after that, just choose here this code option, and upon clicking on it, you can start clicking this edit button to edit the code in here. So I'm just going to delete this one by highlighting it and click the delete button and paste the job board embed link that we just copied. And after that, just click the enter button, and we could also start resizing the size of this job board in here to make it fit in our website. And by clicking the preview button, you'll be able to see here what it looks like. So as you can see, we've now successfully adhered this software engineer job in our website. So we're just going to save this one and start publishing this website with this job board on it. So overall, that is just basically how to make job board website using Squarespace. Thank you.